Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide questions in Google Forms. Google Forms is a powerful tool for collecting information, conducting surveys, and creating quizzes. However, sometimes you might need to hide certain questions based on users' responses, making the form more dynamic and personalized. This can be useful for conditional logic, skip logic, or ensuring that respondents only see relevant questions. Luckily, Google Forms allows you to hide questions using sections and conditional branching. This means that users will only see the questions that apply to them, improving users' experience and preventing unnecessary or irrelevant responses. Now I'll walk you through the steps step by step, through the process step by step. The first step is to open Google Forms and create questions. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and make sure you log in using your Google account's credential. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, start a new form by clicking on blank form here and then start a new form section. Once you click on it, add all the questions you need, including the ones you want to hide conditionally. I'm just gonna add a few questions. The second step is to add sections for conditional logic. And to do that, click the add section icon. It's the two rectangles and click on it. Create separate sections for different sets of questions. The third step is to use conditional logic to hide questions. Select the questions that will determine which section the user sees. After that, click the three dots menu and go to the section based on answer. And don't forget to assign each answer to the appropriate section to control which question appears. As for the fourth step, preview and test the form by clicking on the eye icon in the top right corner to preview the form and select different responses to ensure that hidden questions appear only when needed. As for the fifth step, limit responses to ensure hidden questions stay hidden. Now in the settings, go back to the form and go to settings and then go to the responses section, click on it, and then here disable edit after submission so users cannot see all questions after submitting. Now you can also use multiple sections for better control. The more sections you create, the better control you have over the questions appear. And avoid too many hidden questions. Too many conditional branches can make the form confusing to manage. And also test with different users to get feedback to make sure the hidden questions work as intended. Hiding questions in Google Form is an effective way to create a more personalized and user-friendly experience. By using sections and conditional branching, you can make sure users only see the questions relevant to them. This not only makes the form shorter and more engaging, but also ensures higher accuracy in responses. If used correctly, this feature can streamline surveys, quizzes, and application while improving completion rates. And this was it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.